environmental science was the fact that there's a lot of flexibility in whether I wanted to go into more so like life sciences based, like biology, ecology, or earth sciences. What drew me to becoming a field station intern was taking the Ecology of Invasive Species class. So for the most part, it was helping with the plant census that took place in Robbins Park. And then also it was working on collecting data from the vernal pools in TFO. So basically my project was processing and analyzing vernal pool samples, vernal pools located in TFO. And basically my study was on the community composition of the vernal pools, the invertebrate diversity in the vernal pools. It allows me to apply what I learned in the classroom into basically a full-on research project. Temple Ambler in particular provides a really unique opportunity because of the tornado that basically tore through the area and basically really disrupted like the local ecology. This internship helps me figure out more of like the field of study that I want to go into.